I'm looking at your portfolio. Let me pull that up. Crashers? On your portfolio. This is nice. This is clean. Whew. And then like you got this thing going on. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's literally okay. So the way that the markets are, at least currently, there's so much potential, like opportunity, job wise, um, that like if you just stick to it, I'm sure that you'll be able to do it. But it does take the work, right? Like no one wants to hire someone and then pay them a bunch of money to learn. So let's see what you got. These are SVG animations. This is doing some. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is that trick where you have the stroke outline, right? And then you're going over it. It looks super nice. Okay. I like okay, so let's break down from the beginning. Okay, so I think this is nice. This is real nice. Like you come in, like you come in, this is what you got. The only thing, like I'm assuming this is a portfolio to get a job, or um, or what's the plan with this? But it's looking good if it's a portfolio to get a job. Like I think I like that this whole thing is a button. I don't like it when buttons are like really small or like not easy to find and it like does this little motion. That's super nice. Okay, these page transitions are gold, man. So let's see. I do want to see a couple of things. Let's see what used semantically. Okay, so you're using. Did you do all this? What did you use for this? Uh-huh. This is okay. You got a minified file here. Okay, I'm not gonna. I'm not about to sift through your minified. Okay, so you go into the work. There you got the H2. Man, the semantic active websites. Let's see them. Okay, that's good. So you went technically from H2 to an H5. This is a small thing, but you should technically, according to the area specification, you should go in descending order the H tags of a page. That also helps in SEO purposes. You want to go like you don't want to skip H tag numbers. That's useful if you're navigating the page through a keyboard. I'm a big stickler on that because keyboards will tell you the structure of the page, and if like you're skipping the levels, then it kind of just like breaks the way that they can navigate on the structure of the page. But that's tiny. Tap on image to go to link. I appreciate that actually that you put that up. Okay. Oh, why you doing that? Okay. Cancel. Hello, no. Okay, that's not a good greeting. But I'll give you the 1440 or less. See where we're at. Okay. But I'm going 1439 because I don't want to sacrifice my nice big monitor. But I'll give you 1439. All right. Okay. So let's see. This is a little bit busy, in terms of like just visual appeal. But this is nice. This is real nice. Oh man. Okay. Is it actually like e-commerce? This would go to another page. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happened there. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, yeah, these. Okay, so it's a little like, dude, honestly, just take these things off then if they're not gonna do anything. If these things aren't gonna make do anything, just take them off. This alert thing ain't doing it for me. And what do you have this null? Because it's good in terms of like graphic design, right? Like I mean, okay, obviously it can do a little bit better. Like I mean, no, actually that's a vibe, right? Right, like putting the width all the way to the container, like that's bold. Uh huh. Okay, and but this is good. Like this looks like a real site, like that a business would use, except for the fact that it doesn't do anything else. Like single page sites are fine, but like usually you do one enough to get like for a customer to know. Okay, okay, that's a placeholder. Oh, so like here, enter your name. Hello, Javier. Bam, and you get the Javier. Yeah, I see it, but like, I mean, okay, you're trying to get a job, yeah? Or what's the goal with this? Because like, okay, that just feels jumpy. Like these pop-ups um just feel too jumpy. Like if you want to keep that, okay, like first of all, I would take it away to start. If you want to keep it, um, if you want to keep that, make a modal that tells you what is going on. It's like, hey, personalized shopping experience. Write your name here or something like that. These guys, I just feel like I'm being attacked. It's kind of aggressive. The animation is too fast, and then it stops everything. It feels like an error. It just doesn't give a good feel for it. You know, so I would honestly take it off, and then yeah, or make it nicer. It's kind of like it's this thing with making things, making anything really. Like if you're gonna put something, make sure that you thought about it, and if you didn't think about it, don't put it like there because especially if the caliber of the other stuff is really good, and then you have something that is kind of not as good, but it stands out a lot because it looks like an afterthought or something that's not really planned out. It's better to just take that off and just rely on what you have already, because otherwise things just that's the thing that attracts the attention. Like it diminishes the rest of the work, which is nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so okay, let's see this. And this is just straight up native HTML elements as rendered by the OS. Yeah, so let's see. Let's play some hip hop. Okay, so these are, I love my 90s hip hop. Haha. Haha. Okay, this was some hypnotize. Okay, but does it play it? No, is it just okay? So it's just showing you the thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, don't worry. I'm just saying, like, it actually looks really nice. The rest of the app like, for this one, the rest of the thing. Oh, look, this has padding here. Uh huh. It pulls up the thing. But it actually like the rest of the site looks really nice, and that actually takes away from the niceness of the rest. You know what I'm saying? So I would just take it off, and if yeah, like in the future, if you want to do something nice, like put it under a feature flag on Git, and then merge it when it's ready. Otherwise, don't put it. Okay, okay, fine. But like honestly, see, you get padding, on these guys. But honestly, like that's you know you can't have that excuse. You got to have a max width because you don't know that's an annoying part of web design. You can't have like things that are yeah. I mean the trick, how do you do it, to see things, how things will look in a big monitor, right? Like let's say it looks like this on a normal. Zoom out, you know, bam. Okay, and like, maybe you, but if you zoom out, let's pop it here. See, and it tells you like the scale in the top right. You know what I'm saying? So if you have the inspector tools, oh, it actually doesn't tell you like the thing, the aspect ratio or whatever, the pixels, but yeah, that's a good trick that I used before I got my nice white monitor. But it's good. It's looking good. I don't wanna. I wanna make that for sure. No, and it looks like a real thing. Okay, so these things. Okay, it just pulls these up. This is nice. This is nice. It feels a little bit like, I don't know. I want to say pointless, but it's like it proves that you can handle an API. It proves that you can pull things together. It doesn't tell me that you can style things, but I got that from the other one, Um, so it's good. It's good. I mean, honestly, for this, I would like to see the code. Like if you have it here, maybe you can do like a hover effect where it's like view site, view code or something. If you already have it here. And these are nice. These are real nice. Mm-hmm. And a bootstrap website. Uh-huh. Okay, let's see what does next do. Designs. Yep. Okay, you got your design. I see it. I see it. This is their website design remake. That's good. Yeah, yeah. This was what you can you actually go to the website? No. Visit. Why don't you just pop a link in there? Even if you didn't code it up. Oh, because it's no longer your design. Maybe. Okay. So then yeah. Okay, so this is zoomed out, I think. Is it zoomed out? No, 100%. Okay. Let's see. Okay, okay. And then these guys. Uh, this goes to the other side. Okay. I mean, the effects, the micro animations. Um, oh, I see it. People don't read your stuff. Like usually, that was like in the second sentence. Like after the line break. Well, I feel it's it sucks, but like people are slow and they don't put in effort. Noticeably, like okay, then you got a contact page, and here you have the GitHub. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. You're using Java, but it's like a trivia game. Add a README to some of these. Do you know the trick of putting like if you make a repo with your name, if you make a repo and it has your name, you can add a README to it, and it'll let you control what people see. All those things are little bonuses, that you can do. Then you gotta contact me. Okay, man. You know what's all right? Like to be honest, like I think this. Okay, the portfolio site is nice. like the portfolio side itself makes me think that you can do that. Like I can give you an assignment, like at work, and then you can figure it out. Like the portfolio nice gives me that impression. What's a shame is that the projects inside of it they seem a little bit like student work still, like this looks like a website. So like, sorry, this is really nice. Yeah, like honestly, like I wouldn't mind giving you like a design that I want to come to life, and then or coming up with a design with you, and then if you like are making these micro animations and things like that, like things are coming out real nice. Like I can tell that you can make things come out real good. So props to that. But yeah, like sadly, like projects, one good project would be like, yeah, would really set you apart. Because like I think I mean the portfolio is really nice, and it's kind of like out of sync with like the level of at least these two projects. Yeah, and you also put like that you want to be a full stack developer. Like that's the title here, and most like I'm seeing mostly like these these things in there. I mean, well, first of all, for like a Spotify API, you don't make the API, so it's like okay, that's front end stuff, using Spotify API and handling data and rendering it on the page. That's all front end, and then this is also just front end. So yeah, like I know that you have the Java game or whatever. I don't know where it's at. I forget. I saw it somewhere. Anyway, but yeah, so like I don't know if I would consider you for a full stack developer. I think that like your skills are in design and in front end, and I would, yeah, I might just like double down on that for now, like because yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like there's a this dissonance, like between what you're saying here, full stack web developer, and the work that I'm seeing. Like it seems like you're very skilled at these mic. Oh, here's the Java game. Okay, I see. But yeah, it seems like you excel at these kinds of micro interactions, and the portfolio shows it. So I don't know. Like, yeah, I mean, if you wanna, if this is your goal, right, to be a full stack web developer, or like, how's your what's your employment status or like whatever? Like, do you have professional experience as a full stack developer? Because if you do, then you need to put that up. If you don't, I might just double down on like really nice front end developer. Like smooth front end, or just put like software developer. I don't know. Like what I'm getting at is that like I'm not seeing full stack developer from the portfolio that you're showing me. I'm seeing like very clean front end developer. Yeah, and you don't have much material. You're saying, and hold up, I don't know. Yeah, so this is who I'm talking to. Where's this guy? There it is. Okay, so I can see the chat shows up because it wasn't showing up on the video. Anyway, yeah. No, but like honestly, man, like this portfolio is looking good. The portfolio itself is good. The projects in it are the things that need work, and that's, I mean, yeah. Like, what can you do? So like, I would focus on one like real project. Okay, so this is my theory, right? Like, and this is what I did. I built my site. I was running a business. I was it was like a physical business, not a web related business, and we were building, and we had like a business problem that we needed solving, and I learned coding I already knew a little bit of coding, but I kind of like went deep into web design to solve that problem. And I kind of like built on that and built on that and built on that. And then I just kind of spun that as though like that's why I'm an experienced web developer, because I've solved problems for businesses through through web technologies. That was my angle, you know? And like people don't, I mean, it's hard to find an entry level position. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so much competition for it. You know, and if you've ever run a business, you know, or if you're like ever freelanced, or you know, if you've ever been your own boss for a little bit and like had to deal with it, um, yeah, the To Do app. The thing with the To Do app is that like everyone has it, so it's like it'll be compared with like the nice To Do apps, you know. Whereas, but yeah, but yeah, the To Do app is solid because it hits all the crud, create, read, update, delete. You know, if you're going for a full stack developer, like you should get in on that. But yeah, but what I was getting at is that you want to solve business problems through using web technologies. That's the angle that you want to put. And you want to prove to the people that are going to hire you that you are going to solve business problems through using web technologies, right? Because that's what they want to pay you money so their problems go away. Or they want to, right, build new features, they want to do all these things, they want to tackle bugs, and they don't want to spend the money training you. Some companies have the money for that, but like, I don't know, man. Like I'm just way more of the mindset that what you got to do is just sell yourself as someone that can solve a problem for them already, and then you can, yeah, then you get like, that's how you get the job, right? Like that's what a job is. A job, paying someone for it is basically paying someone to solve your problems. And so like that's the angle that you want to sell yourself at, you know? So yeah, but like this portfolio. Nice. Yeah. Milk all that and like spin that the best you can, and you know, it's like dating, you know, you gotta talk about yourself nicely. Yeah, totally. Let's go over it. I'm redoing mine at the time, so like I feel like mine I had from a couple like a year or two, like a year ago, and then I'm redoing mine, but yeah, so like I feel like mine's not like the best example, but I can show mine too, so to show you like that it doesn't matter so much. Um, like it's about business problems. I'm a big fan of that mindset, like just convincing them that it's going to be a profitable decision for them to give you money, you know. That basically it. But yeah, but this portfolio looks real nice. Nah, I want to stress that. And like, if you can do this level of work for yourself, I can tell that this took you time. You know, you put in work to do this, and that's what it takes. You know, and like if you could do that, like if you can have one project that is this caliber for a business, or you know, solving a business need, or like that could be considered like a business app, you know, that's a little bit of the problem with to do apps, that like it's not, you know, it falls a little bit more in the category of like toys almost, unless it's like a boss to do app, you know. But like but like yeah, I don't know, things that solve problems for people and that you could potentially turn into a business, like that's how I would think about it, you know. Like, and the best way to do that is to find a business that has a problem, you know, like making them a landing site, but like, you know, making a landing site and then integrating like an API to do like a custom widget for them that solves, or like helping them set up like a scheduling system, things like that, you know. That's web development. That's what you end up getting paid paid for, and you need to prove that you can solve those kinds of problems for people. But I can tell that you can just from the portfolio. But then it's like a little bit of like, oh man, it's unfortunate that like the work inside of it is not up to the level of the portfolio. I would just focus on one project because you already have the portfolio that shows it. Yeah, but you're doing really good, and I can tell that you got it. Nice. Let's see. This is okay, okay. This is Ethan's. You're in the. Okay, so yeah, you said that you're going for simplicity. Hey, I'm Ethan, software developer. Let's see. Do you do? Oh, you do that thing, man. That like that. This thing is hot right now. Doing the switch. I like it. I'm a fan of it, and I also like the drop shadow thing. Let's let's see. Oh, I didn't even do the reactive side on yours. Actually, I wanna see it if it's I wanna see it real quick, and then we'll go back. And it is, of course it is, because this thing is so clean. It actually reads better on the phone almost like because these next that next button was these next and back buttons didn't like I feel like I didn't see them so much or they weren't as present in the other version. But yeah, let's see. Okay, close this guy. All right, iPhone X. Let's see what do we got? What do we got? Moto G4. Let's. Okay, yeah, I see. See, that's a trick with with CSS that like I feel like we have all these tools to deal with like the margins on the x-axis or whatever, but like if the screen is short, then I feel like we're not like the muscle memory doesn't kick in to to account for that. Like that's not something that we're so used to checking. Okay, so Mongoose, REST APIs and stuff. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not a huge fan of these animations when it's kind of. I mean, you're bringing attention to it, but I'm just like, it's not a button, and usually like movement makes me want to think of it like as something interactable, and like the only interaction is the animation, and so I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of them as is. Um, but yeah, let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's a big paragraph. Okay, that's another big paragraph. Okay, okay, this actually. Okay, I'm going over it like a recruiter way, like content creator and web developer. Okay, do I have a link? No. Software and hardware management. Okay, I like the bold letters in the thing. Let's see it in the other. Look at that. Okay. Education. I like the style, honestly. Like high school, college. Nice. Okay. Ethan Hill. You got the little signature over here that's like popular in current websites. Okay. Custom made Spotify player built on Next.js. Okay, let's see. Oh, it took me to the project itself. Okay. Nexify. You gotta have the thing. Okay, that's not ideal. The link is the chain. What does that mean? Oh, I see. I see. I missed that. I probably would have got. Yeah, see, you found the little Easter egg. Nuxt.js and Tailwind CSS. That's what I'm building my portfolio site currently with. I like it. It's all right. You're a Vue dev? Okay. I'm a Vue dev too. Okay, so let's go back to the Nuxify thing. Okay, home, profile, not authorized. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna sign up for your website. Kind of want to actually, but okay, that's not nice. It looks good. Oh no. Is it a legit app? Okay, I don't remember. I think I use my Facebook for signing in before I give. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Home profile. Okay. My start playing something. How do I start playing something? No. On my spot I I need to play something from my Spotify. Oh, I see. I'm not gonna do that right now. But it looks good. Like okay, so it seems like it's a little bit involved. Um, I might you can learn vulgar quickly. You can learn to be vulgar real quick. Um, yeah, so honestly, like the way that that was set up, like no one is gonna do that. Like, okay, so you're Nuxify. Okay, so you have this, and you also have it in Nuxt. Okay, currently a work in progress. Okay, I honestly, let's see, you got workflows. Okay, auth two. You got a little diagram. Okay, this is cool. I like this actually. I like this. Let's see. Let's go to. No, this is Dependabot. I want to see the commits history. I can never find it in a bit. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. This is cool. I might put like a video explaining how this works and like all the features because it seems like I don't know. It's lacking onboarding. If it was a real app, right? Like you would have some level of onboarding to let people know what it does, and you might just like get away with showing a video that like you could even do like you press this, open some modal that plays a video, and then it says like see demo or do it like that. But then you have to make the video. So let's see the View Weather app. Okay, search for where are we going? Where are we going? Kuala Lumpur. I don't even know if that's how you spell koala. Is that how you spell koala? Oh yeah. Whew, it's nice. Okay. I like that it defaults to Celsius. Okay, yeah. Same thing. It tells me that you can work with an API and stuff like that. Feels a tiny bit like a toy. This feels like an app. This looks like a learning project to me. This is solid. It gets the job done. This feels like a real app. This is what I'm talking about. Crashers that yeah, it looks like a project useful for learning. So yeah, I respect that, but it's like you want this level of stuff. I don't know why you have this three times. Um, oh wow, this one's fancier. Oh, this one looks good. Okay, but you want me to log in and stuff? Yeah, I mean I already. Okay, agree. Look at that. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. This has got my things. Oh, I don't like that this. Oh, well, actually, you know what? I like it. Why not? Okay, okay. Cool. This one's nice. I don't know how many recruiters or like people would actually sign up for it. That's why you would want. Nice. It says test. But yeah, this is okay. So this is an app that has like potential for its own sake. You know what I'm saying? Like it has like this looks like a business level app. And so if I look at this, I'm like, okay, I think that I could give this person a task and they could solve my problem and make me money. Actually, I do like this looks good. This is that level, and you did it by yourself and stuff like that. Like it's great. I would maybe put this as like the forefront, like make sure that like people know about this one more, like kind of make this like the money maker, and put it up and centered. That would be my advice. And then I don't know. I know that Flutter has a web app. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Again, don't have Flutter. I'm on my device, so a little video that shows like the basics of it would be nice. Okay. Cool. This is nice. I honestly would put all my money on this. Like I would put all the focus. I just like this one might get you a job. The page, the portfolio, it's good enough. Portfolio doesn't have any glaring issues. Let's do some like, so you got an H1, you got a you got two H1s. That's a no. Don't have two H1s. Have one H1 in a page only ever because there's the H1. You only have one. And then go with it semantically all the way down. This is your H1. This is not. Let's see. Okay, you are using links in the list, and that's good. That's good. Header div main. Okay, background light charcoal using Tailwind. I like Tailwind a lot. Okay. Anything else that bumps out? Let's see, div class. Okay. Yeah. All this is good. This is looking real good. Um, you have boned. Do you have a job as a developer? Nice. You're in school, yeah, yeah. Okay. No, you start looking for one now, man. You wanna send this out to people already, even if you don't get it. Yeah, good, 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 good. Um, nice, nice. Yeah, you don't wait until just like send it out and then whatever. Like the opportunity cost is just so high. The economy right now is booming. Tech stocks are up. People have money to spend. You want to get in as soon as possible, you know, and you can get in with this type of stuff. Like, yeah, like definitely. Um, but yeah, like you can get in with this level of work. You can always work more on this. You can work on it. Like I gave you some pointers and things like that. But like yeah, I mean this is a lot. Like what you can do is do something like um okay, yeah. See, and this is also H1s. Don't do everything H1s, man. That's text. Oh wait, no. Where are we? Text. black, do like a gray 600. I don't know if no. Anyway, you can like make this less black, and then I don't know, use a strong tag to make some things go bolder, and yeah, like make React and Vue bold. Um, maybe even self-taught or something. I don't know, but like this is just like a big block of text, and it's like, yeah, I don't know. Like I'm not gonna sit through it, and then you have this other big block of text with the hobbies. Uh-huh. And you talk about a dog. You talk about a dog, and you don't show a picture. I mean, dog gives you immediate brownie points. Like if you're talking about a dog, put a picture with you and the dog. Let's see. I had to have surgery. That's good that you're how you doing? Oh, I actually I don't know if that's good, but like I feel like maybe I would put it. You have to experiment, do some A/B test, but whatever. Like you you're doing good. You gotta like, yeah, narrow down and focus on like the things that you want. You have to have it clear what you want the user experience to be in the site. I'll show you a page that I did. And this is just basic web design fundamentals. A page that I did, right? So it's this thing, right? It's like schedule a call. It's always there, you know. It's always here, and then at the end, you go back to either schedule a call or to get in touch. It's kind of like you kind of want to keep narrowing down to the call to action, right? And but you have to create like a journey through it. Like, it's like you're going, it's like, okay, take your business to the next level of personalized marketing. Yeah. It's like, why work with me? Why? Increase sales, convert more, like just tell them, you kind of are, you have this whole story. Like if they weren't convinced at the first try, this is who you are. I helped write the copy for this. It's like 3 sentences, whatever. Then social proof, then a little diagram of what we do, then a little summary of the thing. And again, like, now are you convinced? You know what I'm saying? Like, and so you have to think that you have to take that same mindset when you're going through this. Hey, I'm Ethan, software developer. Like, okay, it's good because you're not selling yourself as like a freelancer would. If you were a freelancer, you would change that a little bit. Like, hey, like, let's build your idea on the web or something like that. Like, hey, do you have an idea? I can execute it. This is fine because you're going for a job, right? And then you're going skills and tools. Like, okay, whatever. Like, honestly, show me instead of telling me. But it's fine, But like the flow isn't super nice here. Like, I don't like. I don't know. I would. This is good. This is solid. But yeah, it's just like the user flow is not super straightforward. You know what I'm saying? And then like you have to. Okay, let's see it. And then once you get to this page, it's like you're putting all these things. You're actually putting this broken app before you're putting this super clean looking, professional looking app. Like you gotta showcase your strengths. You don't tell the girl or the guy, whatever you're into, that you're trying to date. You don't tell them it's like, hey, but like I actually always have flatulence in the morning and I'm stinky to wake up next to. You don't open with that, and like not that this is what that is, but it's like you want to open with like, hey, I have big genitalia. Okay, so let's see dog.jpg. I want to see it. Oh, nice. That's a nice dog. You got it. I would put you with the dog though, because you want to play the heartstrings, tug the heartstrings or whatever, show some personality. The dog by itself is like not as strong as this one. And then let's look. Oh, it's Next.js. That's nice. Okay. Dot idea. What's this dot idea? Okay, because you're dot. Yeah. Sorry. Idea. Okay. Run dev. Next.js. Okay. Yeah, this is all. I imagine this is all boilerplate stuff. And you generally want to have like, hmm yeah, have like. I mean, at least you have this, the, you know. But yeah, have a little explanation. But yeah, it's looking good, man. Like I like the same. It's you. Yeah, I would play this one up for sure. Yeah, and I would honestly, in this case, I wouldn't link directly. Like clicking on the thing is linking directly to the GitHub. That's kind of like driving you away from where you're at. I would I would strongly consider putting a modal with a video that does it, and then being like join now or something like that. Make it seem like it's a real app, not like it's a toy. Like join the next level of Spotify experience now with a call to action button. And you're like, what? And like that might, yeah, I feel like that would be interesting. Yeah, because I don't like that it like this shouldn't take me to the GitHub, because like that's, yeah, I don't know. I do want to see the GitHub though. Oh, this is roll time. Let's see how you're doing with the source pages. Okay. Currently playing. I'm not a big React user, so I don't know so much of what I'm looking at. But are you player layout? Wait. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, so you have all these components, and this is kind of like the main page, I assume. Main, H1. Yeah, sure. I mean, okay. You're using a bearer token, right, for Spotify. Yeah, I mean, I don't really. No, let's see. So it's app.js. Okay. Component, page prop. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, shit. I forget. I keep zooming in, but then I go to the next document, and then okay, next script. Okay, yeah. I mean the code looks fine. I have to dig through. Thanks for letting me know. I have to dig through a bunch of stuff to get it. Um, but it looks good. I mean, you're using a JWT. You're okay. And is this the backend? Is this part of the next off? Okay. So it is kind of a full stack thing, right? I guess it's like a server rendered app. Man, yeah. I mean, like sure. I wish there was like, I never remember how to look at like the, okay, so you only have one commit. Let's look at some of your commits. Use session. Uh-huh. Let's see, take out this whole handle press, and if there's a session, okay, okay. Else return null. Okay, sure. Merge branch. Let's see this main. Okay, no. Added dark mode. Let's look at how you did the dark mode. Use theme. Okay. Switch theme. Set theme. Okay. Yeah, this is good. I mean, okay, class name. Okay, some Tailwind stuff. Sign out. Took out. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. I trust you. Okay, and then I imagine you put like the dark mode. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this is a good app. I would sell it. I would. Yeah, but like honestly, like I don't know what I'm looking at. Like it would take me like, you know, 20 minutes pulling the thing, playing around with the code to like get a feel of like what you're doing. So like, I mean, the code looks good enough or whatever. It's React. I know what React look. You know, it's about like the experience though. Like this is a clean experience though. So just play that up. Good job, man. Um, but yeah, I think with that, I'm gonna head out to the gym before they close out, and yeah, no, it was really fun. Yeah, I so it seems that we're locked in. I think next Thursday we're gonna be again doing office hours. Hopefully, getting a little bit further with Draco, doing some more. Yeah, doing some more CSS. I wanted to start at JavaScript, but I don't think I'm gonna start until the week after. After that, I want to get him just like yeah, have him be able to like see a page and then recognize how to break it down. Yeah, yeah. Gonna get him working on that. But yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be next Thursday. Maybe we'll have another office hours with someone else. I'll try to set that up. If you wanna do it, join the Discord and send me a message. And yeah, we can do it in office hours when we go a little bit in depth with like some JavaScript problem that you're having, some HTML CSS. If you want some like career advice and stuff, like things like that, I can help you out with what I can. You know, I'm just a guy too. Like I, you know, haven't been in the industry like a terribly long amount of time, but now that I'm in, I'm trying to help out people that are trying to get in because it's fun. You know, it's cool to go to get paid and get paid handsomely for work that you really enjoy doing, right? Like, and if I can help even a little bit for other people to get that, then like, okay, let's do it, you know? So that's the idea of these office hours, you know, and to the office hours I like to go really in depth on like a subject, and I like someone kind of being like pushing back when they don't understand and kind of like yeah, like the back and forth I think makes it really valuable. I don't think there's a lot of people showing that back and forth. So yeah, hopefully that you hopefully you get something out of this. All right. See y'all later, all right? Peace.